Auditory and speech abilities combine a good ear and a pleasing voice. Auditory attention means the ability to focus your hearing. That's a useful skill for a social service worker listening to a client in a busy office. It's also helpful for a motorboat mechanic listening to a motor in a noisy workshop. As he works on the engine, he might also use sound localization, the ability to tell the direction from which a sound originated. Speech recognition is absolutely necessary for people communicating with customers they don't see in person. For example, a telephone operator must be able to understand a caller's speech. And a receptionist also needs speech recognition to direct a call or take an accurate message. Auditory and speech abilities can be vital for healthcare workers, so they can understand patients describing symptoms. For business transactions, communication is a two-way street. People in sales should not only talk clearly, but they should also listen carefully to understand their customers' needs. People who speak more than one language often have a highly developed sense of speech recognition. To be foreign language instructors, they also have to speak clearly so they can guide their students effectively. And of course, clarity of speech is a must for radio and television announcers. Many of them actually take classes to improve their diction. In fact, people with difficulty speaking and hearing don't have to avoid a career that requires these skills. Lessons, therapies, and devices are available to enhance your capabilities.